Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel once again. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo and today we have another motivational video for you. So for those that have been following us for some time now, I believe this location might look familiar to you. So this was in 2025, which was last year, that I came up with 1 acre of land, which I said we will be creating a small community with like-minded people here in Prampram, right? So this is just a random update, right? So this is the first guy that made purchase, which was like a half plot. So we are about to start with the second project next to it, and we went for a site visit, and then we saw the progress, how far he has come. Gigo Production Group is not behind this construction. He has his own builders, he has his own team, and this is the beauty of Gigo Production Group. When you buy land from us, it doesn't mean that you have to build with us, even though we have our own agenda and planning. Communication is key. Communication is everything, and we believe that they are doing amazing with this project, right? So I don't have details about this house particular, but I do talk to the owner of it. We encourage each other. He is also a young guy just like me, in the UK, doing his best, right? Like I always say, my goal here is to motivate someone to do something back home. It doesn't matter how big or how small you want to do or how you want to move, just have something, right? That is my goal here, just to help people to do something back home, right? We living in the West, I know how hustle it is, how difficult it is, going up and down, working, doing multiple shifts. And the prices of materials keep going high. Sometimes if you're not careful, you're not able to do anything, right? That's why I came up with this channel, just to share my experience in construction, how I did mine, and I believe if people follow that path, they can also do something back home. So this is not a full plot, just a half plot, and he's just putting up something simple, and this is going to be more like apartment. He's going to have another the same concept down here at the top, which will be for Airbnb, either for a short stay or long stay. That's up to him. But you saw the drone shot, right? We are in Prampram. From this location to the beach is just like less than 5 minutes drive, right? If you're on the bicycle, we're talking about 3 minutes. If you are walking, 7 to 10 minutes walk, you will be by all the great resorts that you've seen on Google Map or here on the YouTube channel. Name them. All the beach resorts in Prampram is just, let me say, 10 minutes walk from here, right? Yeah, so I mean, this is how far he is going. I have a conversation with him. His plan is to focus on the ground floor first, get it done, move in, and then focus in the on the investment aspect, which is this place, right? So when you already have where you sleep, you have your own place, then you think about investment, which he will be using this place, which is a second floor for that purposes. So it's just going to be Airbnb. And I mean, as I told you earlier when we started with this land sales, I told you that the 360 are all developed, right? I know you can see a lot of greenery, but trust me, all the greenery is full of fence walls, right? If you look carefully once again, you see that it's in the bush, but trust me, it's full of fence walls. If you watch the drone shot again, you will see that you have a lot of fence walls in there. The whole place is almost gone, right? It's just left with time. So I mean, if you go maybe 3 high more, I mean, you can see, I mean, you can get experience of the ocean, right? I mean, this is my particular project, which is also not far from that location, right? If you've been following me on the channel, when I first posted the land advertisement, I showed you the distance from my place to the place. We did a drive through and everything. So I mean, this is just a quick update. There will be more construction in that area, so just watch out. I believe within 5 years there is going to be like 4 houses already at that location. I mean, we are still planning. We are still doing some drawings for some clients, and I mean, building is process, right? And as I always say, don't rush. Do what you can step by step, right? I mean, he didn't even believe he could go this far within a year, right? So I would say it's almost, I mean, 1.5 year, because he started around January, February, right? Yeah, he started, and we are now in May. So it's almost 1.5 year, and he's already done with the structural work, right? I mean, for the ground floor, he can just put in his burglar-proof windows, door, plastering, and then he can move in, right? You design your structure in a way where, you don't have to finish the whole structure before you move in. It's always step-by-step process here at Gigo Production Group. Step-by-step process. That's what we do. So in Prampram, I mean, I'm just putting out this random videos for you to see what you can expect. Prampram has, a lot of resorts at the coastside, also has a lot of private beaches, right? So I mean, individual people owns, these properties here, and you can always go for a walk on the beach if you want your privacy, which is something you never get in Accra, right? If you go to the Accra beaches, it's always full with people. But if you want privacy, these are some of the places you can come. And this is all Prampram, right? I mean, quietness, if you want to do your yoga, whatever, you have it here. If you want fun, you can go to the resort. I mean, all the beautiful resort, you can see ocean green and all of that. This is, the Prampram Township, right? So way forward there is going towards Ningo. Like I said, this is just a random video today as a motivation. For those that have been following us for a long time, you've been planning to do something. I know it is difficult, sometimes thinking about where to get the money is can be an issue, but trust me, if you take the step, if you take one step, the bold step is to just buy the land, get your documentation done, and then the rest will come, right? The rest will take care of himself, right? It is just step by step. Every year, try to do something. That's it. If you can save 5,000 a year, you can do something each year, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get do it.